You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. On Thursday, PMI indices in the service sector are expected to be published across Europe, which are likely to confirm the continued decline in activity and strengthen expectations of interest rate cuts in the region. Although the UK services sector continues to grow, composite PMI indices in Germany and other European countries are forecast to continue to point to a contraction in September. Investors' attention is also focused on possible rate changes in New Zealand and the United States. Investors are already counting on the European Central Bank to cut interest rates by 25 basis points at the next two meetings, in October and December. This expectation intensified after the statements of one of the key supporters of the tough policy, Isabel Schnabel, who expressed confidence that inflation is under control. In the United States, on Thursday, the key indicators will be data on initial jobless claims and a survey of business activity in the service sector, but the main focus will be on Friday's publication of employment data. In Japan, a significant move was the strengthening of the Japanese Nikkei index by 2.3%, after newly elected Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba urged the Bank of Japan not to raise rates. Although this has a positive effect on Japanese stocks, the yen weakened to a one-month low, falling 2% overnight. Markets point to the almost complete absence of the likelihood of a tightening of monetary policy by the Bank of Japan in October and a slight probability of a 10 basis point rate hike in December. Rates are expected to reach only 0.5% by the end of next year, compared with the current 0.25%. And now to the crypto market. The total volume of open positions on Bitcoin in the futures market has increased, exceeding $35 billion, which, according to some analysts, raises concerns about possible overheating of the market, since, historically, such growth has correlated with local price peaks. However, this also indicates an increase in interest in cryptocurrency market instruments and an increase in liquidity. Technically, Bitcoin quotes continue to remain within the range. The upcoming news releases in the United States may provoke an increase in price volatility. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.